Welcome to Captivate AI Studio Training Video Series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to customize your video in Captivate AI Studio. Once you upload your video from local, your auto captions will be generated. Now you can customize your captions. You can change the font family. You can change text style. Position. Colors of your auto-generated captions. Choose a base color for overall text color. Highlight text color for your highlighted text. You can add shadow and uppercase letters. You can add caption slides to your video. Just click on the Add button. Add text to your caption slide. And your slide will be added to your video.
Looks like Elon might actually be buying Twitter. After all, any advice?
You can also delete the slide. Thanks for watching the video.